Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's vlog. It is Sunday afternoon, and I am getting ready to make some lunch for me and Ben. Yuri is at the grandparents' house. Gideon is taking his nap. So I just wanted to share one of the recipes I've really been liking lately, which is like a tuna salad. It's very similar to the chicken salad that I usually make, but it's really delicious, and I've been making it almost every day this week. I just really like it, so I thought I would share how I make that with you guys. And this is my little outfit of the day. And then I was just wearing this outside with my light leather jacket. I think that's awesome that it's warm enough to be wearing a light leather jacket in general. It's gorgeous outside. It is so sunny. I took it into the park earlier, and then we went to Starbucks to get a frappuccino, but I didn't have my phone with me or my camera, so unfortunately I couldn't vlog any of that. So for my ingredients, I use some light tuna in water, not oil, and then I use about a tablespoon of Greek yogurts. Then I use deli-style mustard because it has a little bit of horseradish in there, and I really like that. It gives it like an extra kick. It's kind of like brown mustard, but with like horseradish sauce, I guess. I put a little bit of honey in there, like probably maybe a teaspoon. Just like a dash of salt and pepper, and then I chop up some grapes, just like a little bit. I just added those yesterday, and I feel like it made it taste a whole lot better. And then I do maybe like half of an apple, or just part of the apple, depending on how much I'm feeling like that day. I do some cucumber. Oh, I forgot to take it out, but I also do celery. Not very much, just like, you know, a little spoonful of celery, and the same with this, just like a little bit. And then I usually eat them either with a croissant, or I've been doing some Ritz crackers because they are sweet and salty also. Or I really like these like chickpea crackers. They taste really good. It's just like nice with the crunchiness. Filming you.
Why?
Because you look handsome. When you look back in 10 years, you're going to want to remember yourself this way.
That's true.
It's like every time I keep thinking that I'm not at my most fit and I would like to be fitter, and then I look back and I'm like, wow, I should have taken more pictures.
Quit complaining.
Right. This is the completed lunch. I know it probably doesn't look as appetizing as I say it is, but trust me, it is really good. And this whole plate is only 200 calories, and it's kind of a lot. If you can't tell, it's a really big plate. So obviously, it's more than one serving because I can't eat this whole thing by myself. So if you cut it in half, it's only 100 calories. If you cut it in thirds or in fourths, obviously it's going to be less. And then usually I just eat it with the croissant or the crackers, but this time, I don't know, I just feel like making it look pretty and showing you guys the different options you can eat it with. What are we watching, Daddy-O?
It's up to you.
They finally started uploading Gotham.
Took a while. I think there's only one episode though.
Ah,
Oh,
Nope.
there's a
Oh, I guess.
couple.
I missed it too. Right, so we're getting ready to sit down and eat, and we were trying to figure out what to watch between Fear the Walking Dead, what are the ones? Gotham, and
X-Files.
X-Files, because we've been really into X-Files. And I think I might have watched a couple of episodes of X-Files when I was
And the
younger.
Woman Tower.
And I didn't really like that one too much. It's too dark or something, I don't know. I don't like the characters.
It's a perfect rendition of the political dick pulling that goes on behind the scenes.
I just feel like a lot of them are really like corrupt and evil, and like, I don't know, it makes me angry. It leaves me feeling angry and like sad. And I don't like shows like that. I can do horror though, because you know it's not like completely not real. The
Joy,
like
watching
well,
special effects.
like watching like the craftsmanship of it, like not just enjoying it, but
You enjoy the cinematography?
So you can enjoy the cinematography of everything and appreciate, that's what I was looking for, appreciate, I don't know, just like when they make the zombies look really realistic and stuff like that. I don't know. And I had to go to Starbucks this morning, I was talking to him about, because this is what Ben did to my mocha.
They can't see that.
Well, kind of. He completely froze it. He
You're
put it.
welcome.
Last night we got some mochas, and I decided that I didn't want caffeine that late at night by the time I was able to get to it. And instead of putting it in the refrigerator, he put it in the freezer, and it was like a big brick of ice.
Somebody doesn't realize that it's not cold enough in the fridge for it to not melt and become goop.
I don't mind it being like
Ugh.
a little bit melted.
It's a frappe. That's the whole point.
I know.
It's blended.
But you could still drink it, and like you can still just remix it. I don't know.